Hi everyone, in this video we're going to explore how to install and set up the Canvas Student app on an Android device. This tutorial is for students who are affiliated with the TCS Education System, which include the institutions Saybrook University, the Chicago School of Professional Psychology, Pacific Oaks College, and Santa Barbara and Ventura Colleges of Law. I'm using the Galaxy S3 tablet, but the interface should be similar for Android phones as well. There are a couple ways to install the Canvas Student app on an Android device. You can go to the Play Store, which I'll show you, but you can also click on the Google search and you can just type in Canvas Student and you should be able to see the Canvas Student app right on the top of the list there. And you can click the install button from that screen and that will give you the app. Another way to do that would be to go to the Play Store and then you would type in the top search, you'd type in Canvas Student, and that'll be the top thing right there. So I'm going to click the install button. When you open the Canvas Student app, it's going to ask you to find your school, so you'll click on that button. Now the school that you're going to type in is actually TCS Education System. So when you type in TCS, you'll see a list of options pop up and it'll be on that page. If not, type in the full name, TCS Education System. But click on that link right there and then you can enter in your credentials and you can sign in. Now the credentials that you use are the same single sign-on credentials that you use to access your portals or gateways, to log into Canvas or the library, or Office 365. So it should be very familiar. And then from here, you're on your dashboard and then you can access your courses.